going to try to make some Chuckeye steaks and Denver steaks. I got this beef chuck roast from Sam's Club today. It is 2 pounds at $14.36, $6.97 a pound. I'm hoping to get 2 Chuckeyes and 2 Denver steaks out of this. So you can see it's fairly thick. So I'm gonna cut it this way and then try to pull these off. But I believe, I don't even know, but I believe that's the Denver and this is the Chuckeye. But I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Here's what I have to start with. You can see my fingers, I don't know, 1/2 inch thick. You would just go along that right there. And I cut it in half first. I'll do that next. As you can see, I'm using a bread knife. Try to cut it down the middle. There it is, split in half. There's a lot of fat inside there. Now, I'm not gonna pull them apart like most people do. I'm actually gonna cut along here. I'd rather have it not tear apart. Well, there it is. 2 Chuckeyes and 2 Denvers. Those actually look a lot fattier than the ones that I've seen other people do. This one's pretty hefty, so I didn't get it quite even. This one probably weighs a little bit more than this one. But I think overall, the only problems I had when I came to this tip, trying to get them even, this one almost went too thin. This one started off a little thick. But otherwise, I have a feeling these are gonna be pretty tasty. And for $14.36 divided by, these would probably be more expensive, but anyways, yeah, as you can see, ribeyes aren't cheap, and this looks way better than buying a pack of sirloin steaks for the same price. This should be way better at a fraction of the cost.